cleaned everything up, and in the center made some bug catcher solution. I hope to catch some in there instead of them dying in the food. They won't, these are black hornets, and they won't let the birds, no matter how big the birds are, they chase the birds away from this. We're hoping that they go into those bottles and we get done with them.
Anne's grapevine. Holy moly. Look at all these grapes. Crazy. This is nuts. This thing is really, it really took off. Huh. It's huge. There's grapes everywhere. There's your pear tree by the road. So they're looking really good. You know? They look normally, where they look normal like every year. They're not buggy or nothing. And there's a lot of them on there.